Okay, I'm answering question 6 here. The one about Aquaman launches himself from a tall rock. And it's Aquaman launches himself from the top of a tall rock in the ocean with a velocity of 5.8 meters a second at an angle of 30 degrees above the horizontal. If the rock is 20 meters high, how far will he travel horizontally before reaching the ocean? Okay, so what you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to find the time first of all, and the way you're going to find the time is by inserting it into one of the equations of accelerated motions. But you're going to be using the y component of this, and you know that the distance of the y component is going to be 20 meters because that's how high the rock is, and I put it into the distance equals velocity initial times time plus 1/2 of the average acceleration times time squared. And so first of all, you're gonna know that the initial velocity is 0, so you can cancel that first part. So it just becomes distance equals 1/2 times acceleration times time squared. And you know that, so you can set the left side to be minus 20, and then you can set the right side to be 1/2 times negative 9.8, because that's the acceleration, because it's the force of gravity times time squared. And then once you see, then you divide minus 20 by 1/2, which gives you minus 40, and then times divide minus 40 by minus 9.8, which gives you around 4. And then you're still left with time squared, so you find the square root of that, and it's about 2. So now you know your time is about 2 seconds. And after that, you can just insert that back in. You can insert that into the basic distance equals velocity times time. And then, but since it's a horizontal component, you gotta times the initial velocity by the cos of the angle they launched at. So it just becomes 5.8 times cos 30 times 2. And then your distance is about 10 meters. Thank you.